Right, here's the printer stand. If you guys can see it, we got 3 drawers that you have here. Axis 1 here, axis 2, axis 3, and then you can put your books here. You could put flowers, plants, anything you have, but it's strong enough to actually carry a very heavy duty printer scanner. And then you got plenty of area here that you could add your notes maybe if you want to, but looking pretty good. Very sturdy. It has its wheels too. And here we have it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So here we have it built. Took about like a few minutes since it's really easy to assemble. And as you can see, there's actually like 3 drawers for the files, anything you want to put on here, and also 2 shelf area, which is very convenient that you can place anything on it. You can place some nice decoration on top to make it look nice, and you can place it anywhere in your house. Let's say you have an office, it's easy to have a printer on here, or a little laptop if you want to. Or you can have it in a bedroom, just have a little book stand right here. It has wheels on the floor as well, so it's very easy to move it around places if you don't want to carry it. It's actually very small to put it in, like, let's say closets. It's very convenient to have. You don't have that much space. This is perfect for you. And the material for the shelves are actually made of cloth, and the rest is made out of wood.